Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy, straightforward guide on how to factory reset Fitbit Charge. And before you think of factory reset your Charge, here's a quick important note. The factory reset erase all data on your Charge, including the settings, the app, and the personal info. So make sure you sync your data before proceeding the factory reset. So to get started on how to factory reset, the first step is to wake the Fitbit. So press the side button to wake the screen up. Then on the step 2, you have to open the settings. So to open settings, you have to swipe down on the clock face to open the main menu, or to open the menu, then tap the settings icon, which is the gear symbol on the screen. Then on the step 3, you have to scroll to device info, and in the settings, scroll down there and tap device info. Then on the step 4, you have to tap on clear users data and follow the on-screen instruction to confirm the reset. And on step 5, you have to wait for reboot. So your Fitbit Charge will reboot and reset to factory settings. So after rebooting, it will be ready to set up as a new device using the Fitbit app. And that's how you can simply reset or factory reset your Fitbit Charge. Find the video helpful, turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.